Hey guys, welcome to Lanie Cooks. On today's special, I'm going to do a quick segment on Dalgona Coffee. Stay tuned. Okay, so what you're gonna need you're gonna need some sugar. You're gonna need some instant coffee. Any kind of instant coffee is going to be fine. This is what I have on hand, and milk of choice. I'm gonna use almond milk. You guys can use soy milk, whole milk, whatever milk you like. And then this is just to make it a little bit extra sweet because I like mine sweet. You're gonna need some hot water. And then I'm gonna do mine in my KitchenAid mixer because it's a lot faster. If you guys have the hand mixer, you can do that also. This is real simple and easy, and it's been very popular. I've been seeing it go around the cooking groups and stuff, and so I'm gonna show you how I make it. Okay, so I'm using a coffee scoop right now, so this is about a tablespoon. And I'm gonna make like 2 or 3 cups, so I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons. If you're drinking by yourself, just use 1. So there's 2 scoops of coffee. Again, this is instant coffee, you guys. Okay, then I'm gonna do 2 scoops of hot water. So the ratio is 2, 2, 2. 2 sugars, 2 coffee, 2 hot water. If you're gonna do 1 tablespoon of coffee for yourself, just do 1. And then what I'm also going to do is add my sugar. There's no right way or wrong way to mix this. So here's 1. It's just plain white sugar. 2. And then we're going to put this on the highest speed because basically what you want to do is fluff this up and put a lot of air into it. So we're going to whip it up real fast. And you're going to whip it until it gets real light. Crank it up a little bit more. And as you can see, it's starting to get bubbly. And a lot of troubleshooting is because a lot of people give up after it's not fluffing. You gotta make this whip on a high speed so that you can get a lot of air into it, because that's why it whips up, is because of the air. And eventually the color's gonna get to a light color. Alright, as you can see, this is going to be some stiff peaks. This is exactly how you want it. So it's important to beat this on high speed so that you get a lot of air into that mixture. So see how it stands up straight up? That's exactly what you want for this Dalgona coffee fluff. Alright, so what I'm going to do is you take a glass and you put ice into it. And then you're going to pour milk into it first. And it's your choice. A lot of people said the fluff is kind of sweet. So if you don't want it as sweet, then pour more milk, less fluff. You like it real sweet, then less milk, more fluff. So I poured in my almond milk. And then I'm just going to mix a little bit of this caramel macchiato coffee creamer in here because I like it a little bit more sweet. Okay. Then we are going to go ahead and scoop out our coffee fluff. And then you're just gonna put the dollop inside your cup like this. It's nice and smooth and fluffed up. Look how fluffy that is, you guys. It's real simple, real easy. And that's all it took was coffee, hot water, and sugar to make this. And there you have it. This is a Korean type coffee that's been floating around the internet. Very popular, very easy to do. And here is my version of the Dalgona coffee with vanilla almond milk. And then the fluff on top was beaten by the KitchenAid mixture, and you saw how easy it was, and I added a little bit of the caramel macchiato to it. So I hope you guys like this video. Please make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks guys, have a great day.